Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today we are making healthy and tasty mini chocolate cakes in a appa patra. And for that I have taken whole wheat flour, cocoa powder, clarified butter or ghee, brown sugar, milk, baking powder and baking soda. All the measurements of the ingredients will be given in the description box below. First I am sifting the dry ingredients. Baking powder and baking soda are not same and this recipe calls for both of them. If you are a cake enthusiast, then baking soda and baking powder must be a staple in your kitchen. I have added a pinch of salt and that is optional. I am sifting the ingredients onto a parchment paper first. Cocoa powder remains very lumpy if you don't sift it through a fine sifter. You can also use powdered sugar, but today I am using brown sugar to make this recipe extra healthy. So if you are using powdered sugar, you should sift the powdered sugar along with the dry ingredients. Now I am transferring all those ingredients onto a bowl. I am mixing everything properly. I have used Hershey's cocoa powder in this recipe. I have added brown sugar. If you like more sweet cakes, you can always add extra sugar to this recipe. I have added half cup of milk and half cup of ghee. Here I am adding half more cup of milk. If you are okay with eggs in your cake, you can add 2 eggs at this point instead of milk. But today I am making this recipe vegetarian without adding any eggs. Mix the cake batter properly so that there are no visible lumps in the batter. As soon as your batter looks somewhat like this, we'll move to the next step. We'll set this batter aside and we'll prep the appa pan. To all the cavities of the appa patra, apply some oil. You can use vegetable oil or butter as you wish, but grease the cavities properly. If not, you will be risking the cake sticking to the pan. Now that our patra is greased properly, I am pouring the batter into the cavities of appa pan. Don't fill the cavities to the brim as the cakes will puff up a little. Leave some gap or fill the cavities only up to 3/4 or half level. This batter will give you at least 24 cakes, that is 2 times when you use this appam patra. Now I have placed the patra on a low flame. Always cook the cakes on a low flame. If not, the base will be burnt and top of the cake won't be cooked properly. After 15 minutes, carefully lift or slide the cakes to other side. The middle 3 cakes will be cooked faster as they are close to the fire. Give a 1 minute break after flipping the three middle cakes, and now start flipping the cakes in the corners. Carefully, as I am showing the maneuvering, do so to turn the cakes and cook them for 1 minute. And if you don't have appam patra at home, you can always make pancakes with this batter. I have taken a pan and heated the pan. On the hot pan, spread the batter like I am showing you. This makes a very good chocolate pancake, and it is much easier to make than the appam mini chocolate cakes, appam patra mini chocolate cakes. When you see the bubbles forming on the top of pancake, carefully lift the pancake from the sides. Flip it and cook the other side of the pancake for about 1 minute. Chocolate pancake is ready. Now I am taking out, after letting the cakes cool in the appam patra for about 5 minutes, I am taking them out. You can sprinkle some powdered sugar on top of these cakes. As we have skipped adding eggs into the mini chocolate cakes, you can give them in your kids' snacks box to school. These cakes are very fluffy, and as we have used whole wheat flour instead of maida, they are very healthy too. Hope you'll try it.